Hey guys, today we have chapter 1 section 3, and this chapter or this topic is about absolute value and absolute value function. Imagine how far you are from your workplace where the start time or real time is 9 a.m. If you arrive at 8:50, then you have arrived 10 minutes early. Similarly, if you arrive at 9:10, then you have arrived 10 minutes late. If we look at both cases, the difference is 10 minutes according to the equation. So always we have in the absolute value, it is absolute value. Consider it as a distance. It's a distance. So distance is a positive number. Never distance, we can't say distance is a negative numbers. For example, or for instance, the absolute value of 3 minus 5 equal. I'm going to give you this question just for facilitating. Equal -2. So the absolute value of -2 is 2. Always. The absolute value has two values, positive and the absolute value always has just one value. It is positive value. Okay, is it positive value? Always. Some of absolute value characters. For example, some of them, the first one, the absolute value of A is bigger than or equal to 0. Second, the absolute value of -A equal to absolute value of A. And we have third one, the absolute value of A B equal absolute value of A times absolute value of B. And we have fourth one, we have absolute value of A over B or AB equal the absolute value of A over the absolute value of B, and it is so necessary B not equal to 0. So what happens if B equal to 0? So it is undefined. And we have fifth characters is the absolute value of A to the second power equal the absolute value of the absolute value between parentheses to the second power. And we have sixth, or the last one, the absolute value of A is bigger than or equal to A. For example or instance, without using the absolute value symbol, redefine. So redefine the absolute value of 2x minus 4. So the absolute value of 2x minus 4, how can I redefine it? You can define it like this. Equal 2x minus 4 and -2x minus 4. So that belong to 2x minus 4 bigger than or equal to 0, and this one belong to 2x minus 4 is less than 0. Why? Because it's negative. For this reason, it's less than 0. So the absolute value of 2x minus 4 equal 2x minus 4. So x bigger than or equal to 2, because we took it negative 4 to the other side, so it will be, or it became, is positive 4. Okay, so x bigger than or equal to 2, or negative 2x minus 4, so x less than 2. Okay, negative 2x multiply negative inside the parenthesis, negative 2x plus 4, it is less than 2. So we have now, we try, please guys, you should try this. Try without using the absolute value, simple, redefine the absolute value of x minus 3. So let me solve it. The absolute value of x minus 3 equal to x minus 3, that's belong to x minus 3 bigger than or equal to 0, and x minus 3 that's belong to, negative x minus 3, that's belong to x minus 3 less than 0. And we have x minus 3 equal x minus 3, so x bigger than or equal to 3, because we transfer 3 to the other side, it will become 3. And negative x minus 3, so x less than 3. So negative x plus 3, okay, x less than 3. Okay, this is the solving of the absolute value of x minus 3. We have a hint, please guys, we have this hint. The absolute value of x equal to x or negative x, so x bigger than or equal to 0 and x less than 0. X bigger than or equal to 0 and x less than 0. So it is the definition of the absolute value as generally. Example, the absolute value of 2x minus 5 equal to 3. Solve this equation and evaluate your solution. How can I solve this equation? We have always 2x, we have two values. 2x minus 5 equal negative 3, and 2x minus 5 equal to 3, because the absolute value, we said that we define it x and negative x as a positive and as a negative. So if we solve 2x minus 5 equal to 3, we will get 2x. So 2x minus 5 equal 3. So that's belong to 2x equal 8. X equal to 4. X equal to 4. And 2x minus 5 equal negative 3. That's belong to 2x equal to 2. That's belong to x equal to 1. Okay, this is two values. Okay. Thank you guys, and I hope you took benefit from this lecture. I hope you get it well, and I hope to subscribe my channel.